OMG, what? Follow E. OMG, who? Follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Follow E. What's up? OMG, follow E. Gang, gang, gang. What's going on out there in YouTube world today, baby? Well, today, y'all, I can't get animated because I'm getting in and out of focus, y'all. So let me just get on to it. Well, today, I am trying Popeye's flounder. Is it focusing? Is it not focusing? I'm trying Popeye's flounder, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna like it. Okay, but I'm also gonna do the flounder versus Captain D's fish sandwich. Okay. So y'all, let's get our pray on. Thank the Lord for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishing to my body and strengthen my health. In Jesus' name, amen. Put some respect on it. Let me thank the fathers, the mothers, aunties, cousins, grandparents, anybody that's taking care of kids, providing for kids, doing the things that they need, not always what they want. I want to tell you I appreciate you, I adore you, and I thank you so much for all that you do. And y'all, it's been a long time since I did a car mukbang, y'all, because I've been working from home, y'all. So I'm gonna get started, okay? We're going to start off with the Popeye's flounder because it's the newest sandwich. The newer sandwich. Let's pull that out. Also, I've been meant to do this video, but when I went there, honey, they didn't have any. How you going to market it and then don't have any? Okay, let's take this out and see what it look like. This is it. This is the sandwich. And this is how it came, just like this. I asked for extra tartar. That look like extra tartar. That look like extra tartar. I asked for extra pickles. I got 2 pickles. I don't see nothing extra on here that I got. and this is Popeye's for you. So let me start on the side where I have something on here. Okay, some tartar sauce on here. Lord have mercy. Popeye's. Can y'all see me? Okay. It's not nasty. It has a little kick to it, a little spice to it. Let me push my pickle up a little bit. Let me bite one more time. It's a little dry. It wouldn't have been dry if I had my extra tartar. What can I say? I know I would never order it again. It's not nasty though. But I know I would never order it again. The presentation #1 was an F. I got sweet tea. It's the F. The presentation. The taste. It's not what I would want as a fish sandwich. However, it wasn't worth almost $4 either. So the taste of it, it was good. I have had the fish patty taste better than that. Captain D's, please. I've never had their sandwich, so this is new to me. But will it beat Popeye's sandwich? Now, will it? Popeye's was not nasty, it was good. The presentation was an F. This presentation, though, is beautiful. And I asked for extra. Oh, this a big sandwich too. Tyler ain't got it. Look at that. Okay, they put 2 of their little regular fish on here. Let's see what the taste is. But I ain't gonna lie, Cam D's gonna kill it with the tartar all by itself. Let me lick that. Now that's a fish sandwich, baby. And it's piping hot. I ordered it right. I think they sandwiches are the same amount. And this is what you want to taste when you taste on a fish sandwich. I'm sorry. Presentation is an A, and the taste is an A. And I will order this again. Please believe that. Y'all, that was delicious. How y'all feel today? They're good. Y'all, I will not be before y'all long. This is a very short video. Very, very short. Because this is just a food review. But I did have a couple of things to say. What did I do with it? Okay. Okay. I had found out on Media Takeout that Peter Guns is supposed to be the new host of Cheaters. Now, if anybody know who Peter Gunn is, he's a rapper, but he also was on the first season of Love and Hip Hop New York, first couple of seasons. He was started out with his baby mama and ended up marrying somebody else. Oh, I should have had some malt vinegar. I love that vinegar and gum. Oh my God, this will be like a sandwich that be off the chain. So, and plus I got to get back home before my kid get down. I finna go to school. So anyway, he married Amina, but he was with Tara for years, and he had to break Tara hard because they had already had several kids. Well, anyway, to make a long story short, he's part of the creep squad, and so now they done gave him the job on Cheaters. At first, I was like, really? He's not going to be an understanding person when it come down to this. But maybe it'll make him a better person. in the way he did his family. So, on that, I wanted to say, who would give him that job? Who would? Y'all, this is a bad sun angle, I can tell. But good luck on that one, Peter. I think you might last, what, 1 season, maybe 2. Also, I want to talk about Atlanta Housewives. The season finale. It was garbage. That's the worst season finale I ever seen in my life. It was garbage. I wouldn't have did no $1,000 gift. Anyway, Drew, you were wrong. You were wrong. I don't care how much that wig was. You was wrong. You was wrong. You was wrong. That was terrible. I don't care if you thought it was funny. It was not funny. That was the worst gift you could have ever gave him. Cynthia, you could have went harder. It was so girly. It was so not. It wasn't. I know it came from Tiffany, but $1,000, girl, you could have did better than that. And whatever about the girl and the preacher and all of that right there, that wasn't her business. Stay out of her business. I agree with them on that, Drew. I really do. I really do. But the funny part of it is when Kenya want to call somebody a narc. Well, wasn't that what you did to Portia? I'm pretty much sure that's what you did when you turned that story in, because everybody pretty well much felt like you did. So I'm going to leave that alone. That was the worst of the worst. They need to do some recasting. That's all I got to say on that. So I want y'all to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Hit that bell button. What? Comment down below. Comment down below. And come back following OMG. What? Follow E. OMG. Follow E. OMG. Yeah. Follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Peace.